Welcome folks, this is Albert from LeadCRM, and in today's video I'm going to talk about LeadCRM, how it works and how you can install it to your system, what it does, and how you could connect it to your CRM and how exactly it makes your daily activities a lot easier. So let's start with what is LeadCRM. LeadCRM is a software that you can install it to your Chrome browser, and it allows you to visit the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. It puts a few elements on the LinkedIn profiles, and you can easily hit those buttons on the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects and add new contacts or leads inside your CRM. So you can even log your pipelines, your sales pipelines and deals and all those other activities inside your CRM as well, just with a single click. Overall, it basically helps you sync all of your prospect information and create entries and logs of those information into your CRM with simply one click. Now, I think it gives you a high level view on how the Lead CRM works and does. So let's move ahead and install the Lead CRM plugin to the browser. So to do this, first of all, you would be needing to visit the website. That would be leadcrm.io. Once you're on the site, you would see the button here that says add this extension to your browser, and you just hit this. It will be taking you to the web store, the Chrome web store. Just come in here and hit this button that says add to Chrome and allow this plugin to install itself to your browser. It takes a sec, so now it's here. If I click on this jigsaw symbol here, you will see this plug installed. So what I would do is I would just plug in it, just pin this plug into your extension list. All right, so once the extension has been installed to your browser, let's click on the extension and begin ourselves. So I will be okay. Let's create a new account here. I will call it Albert. And okay, so once you log in, this is what the extension looks from the inside. Now, if I try to go on my LinkedIn profile and visit anyone's profile here, I would let's go visit this guy's profile. Let's assume that he is one of my potential prospects, and I need this guy inside my CRM. So you can see that Lead CRM is already taking its effect. You can see it at the top of your LinkedIn. You can see here at the bottom it says Lead CRM, and it says that okay, you need to connect one of your CRM here. So we haven't really connected our CRM yet. So let's go to the integration section. Okay, so right now we are into the integration section, and let me connect my HubSpot account. Okay, so we are here. It's saying that okay, would you like to connect your HubSpot account to the Lead CRM app? So I would say that yes, I would like to do that, and it's going to ask me account, the HubSpot account that I would like to connect. And yep, once you approve this and you come back to Lead CRM, you would see that your HubSpot has been connected. Now, let's go back to the profile of our prospect and let's try to refresh the page here. And there we go. You see this add to CRM option here. Once I hit this one, it's going to create a new record inside my HubSpot. And see, and here you can see all the details. The owner inside the owner inside the HubSpot account, the lifecycle stage, the company where this prospect works and everything, the email address, the phone number. Right now, prospect is not inside my connection list, so I don't have his mail address or phone number on my LinkedIn. So that's the reason not showing up here. But we plan to add find options, which would be basically finding out the email addresses and other information for the prospects right over here for you. Now, we have something similar for the deals. So if you think that, okay, this guy is worth adding to your pipeline and you should create a deal for them, click on the option and select the pipeline where you would like to create this record. And once you do that, you would be seeing the other information as well. Uh, let's look inside the HubSpot account now and see how this context looks inside the HubSpot. So when I come here to my HubSpot and let me just refresh the page once, and there you go. We have our contact here. So there you can see him. Let's open his profile. You can see that a new company has been created and it's associated to this contact in my CRM. We have all the basic info that was there on his LinkedIn profile added inside this contact info. And right after that, we need to add a deal for this contact. So here you can see that a deal has been added here. Let's make a few changes into this deal and let's see if those changes appear inside the LinkedIn. So what I would do is I would edit an amount here. So let's give this deal value a $10,000 deal. So let me save this and let's go back to LinkedIn and refresh the page. And here we will see that, okay, this contact already exists in my CRM and it's going to sync the data back from my CRM to the LinkedIn's page. So when I visit a prospect's profile on LinkedIn, I have all the basic information about them. There you go. You can see that the value has been updated, and now you can see that, okay, the deal that we added to the CRM for this contact is it worth $10,000 now. So it goes the same. You can add multiple properties and you can find all the relevant information from your CRM onto the page of your LinkedIn contact, and you can easily add these records inside your CRM as well. So yeah, that is what LeadCRM does for you, and that's how it helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me out on LinkedIn, or you can even drop us a mail at support@leadcrm.io, and we would be happy to assist you any further if you need any kind of assistance from our team.